Hi there and welcome to Mr. T's Maths. In this video I'll be showing you how to find the reciprocal of a number. So, if the reciprocal of a fraction is the upside down fraction, then the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2 over 1, which is actually a whole number 2. Now I'd like to show you an interesting fact. Let's just multiply 1 over 2 by its reciprocal. We realize that by multiplying a number and its reciprocal, we actually get the number 1. And that is a fact, and it's always the case. Now, I have prepared some examples for you. Please feel free to pause the video and try them yourselves. Here are the answers. I hope you found that you've done all the exercises correctly. Well, and this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you now feel much more confident with finding the reciprocal of a number. Take care.